right now. As it is, we need to win. And that is what I'm hoping India will be going for against a youthful Qatari team. Need to be proactive, India.
It's a lovely touch over there. Could he find a man in the box? He does! But what a stop that is! That is heroic! Absolutely heroic there from Singh of this group stage.
First of all, let's credit Gauda with that first touch. Absolutely brilliant. And then Basamar Ravi, you expect him to finish that. That is a pinpoint cross.
Attacks were plenty. Afghanistan, in fact, in the last game did not get a single shot on goal. But could this side from India get a shot and an opportunity? They couldn't. He's got more options coming into the box. Can Rahim Ali go out for a pass within the box? Manveer was lurking around that far post.
Pranav, that was brilliant. Absolutely brilliant by Rahim Ali. What do you want from a player in that position? Get the ball across the face of goal. Using his strength, using his skill, he's done exactly that. Need to do better. Manveer is through on goal.
Oh, Manveer, here's another chance, and I think there was a tackle from behind. But the referee, let's have a look at that replay again.
Now it's a gilt-edged opportunity for India. Manveer cannot convert, and on the follow-up was Shante. And just couldn't give that finishing touch to that opportunity. India, the first big chance that we have created, it fell the way of Manveer Singh.
Shante's frustration. But Brandon Fernandes once again! Shante buries it, and India finally score! The Indians in the Qatari capital go berserk because Shante has put an end to a goal drought, and the Blue Tigers roar once again. A new dawn moment. Could this be history for the boys in blue?
We've got a goal, and it is Shante who has put us ahead. Absolutely splendid by him. In the right position, at the right time, and when the opportunity fell to him, he's buried that with conviction. Superb.
I think the sounds of the dhol could be heard all the way from Doha to Delhi, as loud as it has become over here.
Akram Afif.
Brandon Fernandes, in goes the ball, and it has been headed out. Chance on the volley from afar, and it's desperate time, desperate measures.
Changing that's gone on by Tintin Marquez, Lopez. There has been a lack of communication. What a chance that was!
Half that will silence a lot of critics. Wake up and watch the game if nil with India in the lead. Qatar trailing 45 minutes. No, it's still on. It's still play on. How important could that cutback be? Another shot and goes over the blue. It is Mehtab's close. And Mehtab Singh, good interception over there. Suresh brought down. But now the referee calls for
Sahal had to play that ball. He had to.
Sandhu. Getting the torch passed on from the likes of a national legend like Sunil Shetty. And has it rolled in somehow, and the referee says, unbelievable, the referee says play was on, and it is a goal from Qatar. Gurpreet Singh Sandhu personally moving in to argue with the match officials.
Sure, the back line was sure. Let's have a look if they have a case. That is absolutely, there's no doubt about it. There can be no doubt about it. This ball has gone out. All of it has gone out. That has been pulled back. Wow. And that has been scored by Qatar. Wow. And surely, somebody has to see this, and that goal has to be disallowed.
Qatar on the ball again. There's a shot from a far way out, and this time it has been buried. Bassam Al-Rawi, he's been taking shot after shot after shot. Heartbreak. But an Indian side that has fought so bravely tonight. They've been robbed of this first goal, but this one, fair and square, from the Qatari number 10, Bassam Al-Rawi, beating Gurpreet Singh Sandhu on the left side and scoring from outside the box. He beats Mehtab as well. The back three, horrified at the head. 7 minutes of stoppage time, that is good news. Surely the Indian players don't know about it, but it forward. Sahal trying to reach the ball in time. Sahal with the cutback, and the cutback just couldn't find. Once again, there's the whistle. Curtain call. Heartbreak for India. A robbery in the form of that first goal by Qatar. The second goal, of course, all fair and square. But this linesman is going to be in the middle of a storm of tweets and social media comments.